Crafting an irresistible cover letter. Highlighting skills and experiences. Hello learners! In today's lesson, we're diving deep into a vital aspect of your job application, the cover letter. While resumes give employers a quick snapshot of your qualifications, the cover letter paints a vivid picture of who you are. So, how do you make sure your cover letter stands out? By highlighting your relevant skills and experiences. Let's explore how. Before we get into the specifics, it's essential to understand why we even write cover letters. Cover letters allow you to 1. Introduce yourself in a personalized way. 2. Demonstrate your understanding of the company and the role. 3. Highlight specific experiences or skills that align with the job description. Remember, it's your chance to make a compelling case about why you're the ideal candidate for the position. Not all your skills and experiences might be relevant for the job you're applying for. Here's a process to help you pick the most fitting ones. 1. Read the job description thoroughly. Identify the top 3 to 5 skills or qualifications they're looking for. 2. Reflect on your experiences and list down moments when you've showcased these skills. 3. Prioritize experiences that had significant impact, or where your role was crucial. For instance, if you're applying for a project management role and the company emphasizes strong leadership and communication skills, recall situations where you led a team, navigated through challenges, or coordinated with multiple departments. Now that you've selected your skills and experiences, it's time to present them effectively. 1. Start with a strong opening. Grab their attention. 2. Use specific examples. Instead of saying, "I have leadership skills," say, "I led a team of 5 on a crucial project, overseeing its completion ahead of schedule." 3. Quantify your achievements where possible. Numbers stand out. 4. Show enthusiasm. Your passion for the role should shine through your words. Your cover letter should read smoothly, much like a story. Here are some tips. 1. Use transitional phrases to move from one idea to the next. 2. Keep the tone professional yet personal. It should sound like you. 3. Avoid jargon. Keep it understandable for anyone, even those outside your field. 4. Lastly, always proofread. Spelling and grammar mistakes can diminish the impact of your cover letter. Crafting a standout cover letter is an art. By emphasizing relevant skills and experiences, you not only showcase your qualifications but also your understanding of the role and company. We hope this guide empowers you to create compelling cover letters that open doors to your dream job. Happy writing, and see you in our next lesson.